I have started my journey in this industry 1 year ago. My father is my main inspiration and support. We entered this industry with the challenge of making it a recognized brand name in the Indian market. It is really our hard work that bears fruits today. Young leaders are an emerging development across many industries in our country. My father is my greatest motivation because he worked very hard to establish this company's name in the industry. That is the reason why I follow his footsteps. First of all, at the time of entering the market, leaders must have self-confidence to go forward. There may be times when their business rules may face problems while other popular companies rule the day. It is necessary to have people skills so that one can manage the employees. They must be ready to face unexpected situations while dealing with the daily affairs of the business. One should be able to face all kinds of problem situations. To start a company, one should be very determined and possess a good dose of patience which will lead to success. One should have the dedication to reach the goal and the skill to deal with all crisis situations. Young minds are always full of fresh thoughts and new ideas. They have the ability to be direct, open, and can take new risks better. This is a very important aspect to bring about innovation in our country. There is nothing wrong if one takes orders from a young leader as long as he or she takes the responsibility to improve the company's growth. In fact, a right mix of ideas can go a long way to find the right solution to solve problems and bring about the necessary change. Therefore, if a junior is well qualified to handle the responsibilities, everyone should respect his or her position in the larger interests of the company's growth. Finally, it is the team effort that helps in reaching the common goals, and in this respect, age and seniority should not be allowed to spoil the smooth functioning. The goal of our company is to deliver an international sports experience at reasonable prices. Our aim is to take sports industry in our country on par with the global level by promoting sports from the grassroots level. Letter dated December 5 from Messrs. Raja Enterprises, Hyderabad, to Messrs. Lotus Oils Limited, Mumbai. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter dated 1st December sending us your detailed catalog and price list, and we thank you for the same. We are willing to market your products in the Twin Cities through our wholesale network. With regard to the terms and conditions of our agency, we feel that the commission you offer is very low compared to similar offers we receive from other business concerns from time to time. We wish to inform you that unless you increase the percentage of commission, we may not be in a position to accept your offer. Even the terms of credit you proposed are not business friendly. For this purpose, we wish to send our representative to you to discuss and finalize these matters. Please let us know your convenient dates for meeting. Thanking you and awaiting an early reply. Yours faithfully.